Thank you, MarineMax Lake Norman. We've got a brand new 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX. It just came in. Starting in the back, large swim platform. As you see, we've got sea deck all throughout the boat. Cockpit and swim step, American flag. This is powered with a Cruiser 6.2 liter 350 horse engine. Easy access. You do have a power bimini top and water sport tower here. Push up a button, tower speakers, large coverage for sunshade. Moving up into the helm, captain chair with bolster seat, dual Simrad in-dash electronics with chart plotter, all your engine data, electronic shift, fusion stereo, all Bluetooth. Moving up into the bow area, you've got a table mount on the floor, wraparound seating, again extended the sea deck up into the floor, nice touch. Built-in windlass, anchor system up on the bow. In this compartment we have a porcelain tank for the head. Again, more sea deck flooring. This would conclude the 2024 260 SLX by Sea Ray. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman and take a look.